Hello everyone, this is Mikat. For today's recipe, I am going to show you on how to make Tartufi al Cioccolatto. And for this food, we only need 3 ingredients: chocolate, nuts, and cream. I hope you enjoy my recipe. For this recipe, I am going to use the bimbi to make it easier for me to do it. But you can use any mixer or you can do it also by hands. Okay, let's start making our recipe for today. So first is I have to put the chocolate in the bimbi. If we have it, now we can put our cream. At this moment, Bimbi is mixing the chocolate and the cream, but you can do it also by putting the chocolate in a bowl and cream and mixing them together. Showing you the mixture of chocolate and cream from Bimbi. We are going to put in the fridge for at least 3 hours. This is how to make the homemade Ferrero Rocher. Make a small ball of chocolate with hazelnut at the center, then roll it in dried coconut flakes or small pieces of hazelnuts. This is how they look like after. Videos, click here to subscribe.